Amazfit has just beaten Samsung to the punch and has introduced the new Helio Ring, a new smart ring focused on athletes. So let me share with you the features of this smart ring. First, it's worth noting that Amazfit has been launching smartwatches in different categories for a long time, all of them with very good functionality and aesthetics, so it's not a newcomer. Amazfit is a well-established player in the wearables market, so let's take a closer look at their own ring, which features a textured design that honestly looks very appealing and adds a touch of elegance to any outfit. It is constructed using titanium material to guarantee optimal comfort. 2. Excellent durability enables it to track your sleep, measure the variability of your heart rate, and generate a score indicating to athletes whether they are prepared to resume exercising or require additional rest. With this, they can have an analysis of fatigue, so to speak, all of this obviously based on the data collected through its sensors. This ring synchronizes with the SEPUP application, where users can view all the data collected by the ring throughout the day. In addition to physical recovery, it will also provide you with a mental recovery score. It also includes a temperature sensor and is capable of providing you with information about the quality of your breathing. Sports data can also be synced with apps like Google Fit, Adidas Running, and other fitness tracking applications, including Apple Health Kit. It is also capable of tracking your oxygen saturation levels and the stress levels you may experience. Moreover, it is equipped with the feature of fast wireless charging, has a weight of less than 4 grams, and boasts a slim design with a thickness of 26 millimeters. While you're sleeping, it will also be capable of measuring how much your heart rate varies and will track each stage of your sleep, so you know how much time you spent in light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. The battery is estimated to last approximately 4 days. The price of this ring will be $299 in the US, where it can be purchased starting from May 15th, although it will also be available for purchase in a special kit together with an Amazfit watch. If you're interested in purchasing the smart ring and watch, let me know in the comments if you would like us to review this Amazfit Helio Ring. Remember that yesterday I posted the review of the Ultra Human Ring Air, which is a very similar ring in case you want to check it out.